Watch me whip. Watch me nay nay. Hey, my awesome girlfriends. Welcome back to the JLB channel. Yes, we are back at it, girlfriend. So, basically in this video, I just want to show you guys a few styles of how you can style your hair with a head scarf. Well, this is also like a scarf, but then you can actually use it as a head scarf. You know when your hair is actually getting old, like in front, and you just really don't, you just want to cover up because at the same time, you still want to keep your braids on. And especially for me, braids are like a protective hairstyle, so I like my braids to stay in like for a little bit longer, just to like to increase my hair growth and all of that, guys, you know. But basically this video, guys, is just all about giving hairstyle tips, so let us get right into it. Yes.
So guys, check out my hair growth with the braids, especially at the back. So I'm gonna start off by putting my hair in a bun, and I have a short head scarf that I'll be using and a long one as well. So I'll be using both in the hair tutorial. Oh my word, guys, I must tell you that this twisting was no joke. It was a whole arm workout. So if you have anybody nearby you who can assist, I'll totally grab them. Unless you are keen and up for arm workout, then I'd say you do you, boo. So I forgot to tuck in the end parts of the knot, so I'm busy doing that now. I just think it looks neater and it just gives a seamless look. But if you'd like to leave them untucked, you can do you, boo, most definitely. Okay, so this hairstyle is very simple, but I think it would have looked cuter if the length of the headscarf was shorter than how I left the length to be. I could have just continued wrapping the headscarf around my ponytail for it to be shorter, but anyways, I still think it looks cute even though it is a bit long, but it would have been cuter if it was shorter.
Awesomes. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. Maybe you can also try out using a scarf as a headscarf to you know, style your hair, especially when it's getting all a bit old here in front, you know. So yeah, and especially when you're close to overdue to unplaiting your hair, or close to the time that you're going to be unplaiting your hair, these are great styles to try out. I really like them. They're very simple, and they really you know, they just, I don't know, they add something, they zhuzh up everything, you know. And yeah, with this whole corona situation still going on, like we still have to wear masks and follow rules and regulations, you can just like cover yourself up, girl, you know what I'm saying? And you're just good to go. Yeah, but anyways, I enjoyed doing this video, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys found it helpful. Please do subscribe, like, comment down below, and yeah, so that's it from me. Enjoy your time as always. Mwah, from your girl JLB.